Today we are going to discuss regarding OECD Pillar Two and Global Minimum Tax regarding UAE prospect. For your understanding, we will take very simple example. If you are Indian company, means Indian parent company, and you have subsidiary company in UAE, then what will be the impact of global minimum tax? Because as you know that in UAE, global minimum tax is applicable from 1st Jan 2025. So you must know about that. For layman, we will understand who is the affected for this global minimum tax. For your understanding, you must know about revenue threshold. Because if you are multinational enterprises group and your combined revenue is equal to or more than euro 750 million, then this tax will be applicable on you. How to test this 750 million? You need to test from last 4 years. Last 4 years, out of last 4 years, 2 years at least meet this condition. I hope this is clear. For your understanding, we will take very simple example. Suppose we are testing financial year 2026. We look back at financial year 2025, 24, 23, 22. Then you can see here in the fiscal year 2022, there is a revenue 800 million. This is crossing 750 million. Is it okay? And then financial year 2023, their consolidated revenue is 600 million. 2024, similar like that, 900 million. In 2025, there is a 650 million. What the tested year? Tested year is 2026. Then revenue is 700 million. This is consolidated revenue amount. So tested year, we need to exclude that. Last 4 years, we need to consider. In last 4 years, you can see that 2022 they are crossing 750 million and 2024 also crossing the limit of 750. So I hope you can understand 2 years already met these conditions. So be remember in 2026 they are not crossing the limit. 2025 they are not crossing the limit. Yet they have to pay minimum global tax. I hope this is clear. This is important. So that's why we discuss here as a layman language. Further, regarding who is not affected, I hope it is very clear. SMEs, small businessmen, they cannot affect on this. Local groups that is not MNCs, so this will also not included here. And below threshold, if you are not meet that condition, as I already explained, out of 4 years you need to fulfill 2 year condition according to global revenue. Sorry, consolidated revenue 750 million. I hope it is clear. Further, we will take very simple example as I explained in the start. How it works in UAE. For example, I already told you Indian parent company has a subsidiary in UAE. Then UAE corporate tax is 9% and minimum tax rate, what the pillar 2, you can understand global minimum tax is 15%. So here is confusion in your mind. UAE only charge 9%. How you can pay 15%? What is the remaining balance? 6%. So UAE government take only 9%. So then 6% who need to collect that? So for your understanding, you can see this slide. This is very simple for your understanding. UAE corporate tax rate is 9%. Pillar 2, you can understand global minimum tax rate is 15%. Top up, you have to pay how much extra? 6%. It is collected by Indian government. I hope it is clear. Further, regarding some important question you must remember. Does Pillar 2 apply to every UAE company? I hope you can say straightforward no. Revenue threshold, you already know that 750 million consolidated. And further question, minimum effective tax rate is 15%. This is global minimum tax. And further regarding, does it replace UAE corporate tax? You can say straightforward no, because this is a separate tax. UAE corporate tax is separate. UAE corporate tax collected 9%. Extra top up is belong with which country that you have to pay in that country. Who is mainly affected? Largely multinational groups. I hope it is clear. If you need any clarification from our side, please comment us. We will consider that. This is very simple explanation of global minimum tax.